Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Code Logic. So in this series we are seeing the videos on the linked list. So in our previous video we have seen how to add a new element at the start of the linked list. So in this video we are going to see how to add new element at the end of the linked list. Okay, so let's get started. So here you can see this is our new linked list, and we have a new node called 10. So we have to add that 10 to the end of the linked list. So yeah, so if you can see here, we have head node 90. So what we can do is we go to the last node. Okay, and how to check whether node is the last node or not. So if we check that, if last node is, if any nodes next is null, then we can say that that node is the last node. Okay, so you can see here, uh, last nodes next is a null. Okay, so what we can do is last node arrow next equal to 10. Okay, that is our new node. So here you can see the code. So this is our pseudo code. So first we'll use a temporary variable inside which we will put the head. Okay, and now inside a while loop, while temp arrow next is not equal to null, we'll go by iterating it. Okay, we'll go forward. So when we are at the last node, we'll came out of this loop. Okay, and then temp arrow next equal to new node, we'll put it as a new node. Okay, so we'll go one by one. First we'll add 90, then 50, then 70, 80, and then in the end we'll add 75, and then we'll came out of that loop. Okay, so 75 will be our last node, and temp arrow next equal to new node. So now we'll go in our coding part. So here first we'll write a new method adding element at the end. Okay, and here we'll pass two parameters. First is a value and second is a head node. Okay, we'll create this method node star. This method will contain two parameters in data and node star head. So as we have seen in algo, uh, we'll create a temporary node. Before that we'll create a new node equals to new node. We'll call that constructor. We'll pass the data value. Okay, you can see here we have written a constructor. Okay, and now after that we'll create a temporary node. Now while loop, inside while temporary array next is not equal to null, then what we can do is we'll go to the next node. And how to do that? We'll use temp equal to temp arrow next. So what we are doing here is we are iterating over the linked list, that is going to the last node. Temp equal to temp arrow next, and when we are at last node we'll came out of that loop, and then temporary arrow next equal to new node. Okay, so that's it. We'll return here head. Okay, Now we are going to print the data, but before that we'll check if the head node is null or not. So if head is exactly equal to null, so that means this we are going to add is our first value. So we'll just return a new node. Okay, now we run the code. Okay, so you can see here. So this is our first linked list. We have not 10 in the end, but in the second linked list we have 10 also there. Okay, so yeah, that's it for the video guys. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching the video.